Hello, and welcome to another Swift Sensors tutorial video. My name is Jason Land, and today we're going to go over how to brand your console page with your logo and company name. First, after we log into the account, we're simply going to go up to the right-hand corner and select Admin, select Accounts, and scroll down till we see this brand box here. And we're going to select Edit and choose File. Now I already have a file selected and ready to go in my downloads here with a new screenshot of our logo. So I'll select that. And as you can see, it has changed. Now to save that setting, select the check mark, and you have successfully branded your console with your logo. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.